Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. So today I have two special guests with me. John.
Hi, I'm John Louch from Stahls.
And then I also have our own Kenny Ginn right here.
I'm Kenny Ginn, Digital Territory Manager with GSG out of Oklahoma.
All right, so we are going to be showing you the complete process using the new Stahls Printable soft foam. So we're going to go through the entire thing from start to finish, and John's going to tell you a little bit about the product, and then Kenny's going to tell you about what printer we're using and adjustments we had to make. So John, tell us about soft foam.
So dimensional product has become a huge market seller right now, and soft foam kind of hits that market presence. It's a matte finish, it's dimensional, so it brings it up off the garment so you get that feel and you get that texture that you're looking for. It's a great product to really feel and set yourself apart from other products like a flat vinyl or something like that. So it's a great dimensional product and a great way to really showcase your logo.
Kenny, what did we need to do? And tell us a little bit about this printer.
So today we used it, we're going to print it on the Roland SG2 300. It's a print and cut machine. It'll print the decal and then they'll suck it back in and cut it out. The biggest thing with this soft foam is that I took the blade holder out and I exposed the tip a little bit more because it's a lot thicker material. And then I just did some test cuts and changed my force and upped it from what I normally would use on maybe adhesive vinyl or something like that. I just did some test cuts until we got to weed the way we wanted to weed. And then we would just printed it and cut it and we masked it and put it on the hat.
All right, so now that we have our soft foam product on the table, we're gonna go ahead and show you the complete process of weeding and masking. So I'm gonna get a little corner of this.
And what mask are you gonna use, John?
So the mask that we're using here is a medium tack mask, and it works phenomenal for the product, as the product is a hot release or a hot peel. So there's our product with the waste pulled away. This is our medium tack mask that we just talked about. I'm gonna pull the mask off the backer. I'm gonna keep my backer here separate because I'm gonna use it a bit later. I'm gonna put my application or mask on from the center out. Then I'm gonna use my squeegee, kind of give it a light squeegee across it, get all the big air bubbles, and then I'll do it a little bit harder and really get the mask down to the product. When that's finished, I'm gonna pull the mask and the product off. And the reason I'm doing that is getting it ready to go to press.
So what if I'm making these transfers for another, like for one of my customers, let's say, so I printed it, is that why we're gonna save this maybe?
Yeah, that's why we're saving the back of the mask. And the back of the mask will allow us to save the transfer for a later date. And then when you get to the heat press and you're doing the application, it's a lot easier to peel it off here and put it on your cap or your shirt without having to really pull it off the backer of the product. So it's just a quick and easy tip to get application process a lot faster.
All right, so now we're ready to go. We are gonna use the new Hotronix Fusion IQ 360 cap press. It's awesome, so it heats from both, correct? Like from the bottom and the top?
Yep, it heats from the top and the bottom. And typically, we would put this on a normal shirt or something like that at 302 for 15 seconds, peel hot. But because we've got the technology here, heating from the bottom, so we don't get the scorch factor, we're a little bit lower on our top temperature, a little bit higher on our bottom temperature to get that nice solid, good look. So I'm gonna load it up here. We have placed them on our back carrier to make them easy to pull apart. I'm gonna give it a quick little crease just so I can line it up accordingly.
And so what hat are you using right here?
This is the Richardson's 112 donated to us today from S&S. And again, it's a peel hot, so as soon as it comes up, we'll take it off, we'll peel our carrier off, and we'll be set to go. Peel our carrier and a finished product. How's that look, Mallory?
Yeah, it's great. It feels really cool too. I like that textured feel, just different than, you know, the typical HTVs. All right, guys, I think this turned out really cool and definitely a unique look and feel. So, like we talked about earlier, you can do it on multiple different items just to give something unique and different to your customers. So, thank you, John, so much, and Kenny as well. And we look forward to seeing you again. Make sure that you subscribe to us on our YouTube, as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook under GSG Vinyl Decorating.